Welcome to What's Cooking. Today we're making Gaangloo curry. For this you need 4 Gaangloo turnips, 3 onions sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 whole garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of salt or according to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a glass of oil. Add oil to the pan and let the oil heat up. Once the oil is heated, add the cumin seeds and let the cumin seeds cook. Once the cumin seeds have started popping, add the onions. Stir the onions into the oil. Then add the salt and garlic and mix. Stir for a few minutes. Until the onions have softened. Once the onions are soft and golden brown, add the tomatoes, stir and let the tomatoes cook. Once the tomatoes have softened, you will be able to see that the oil is coming to the surface. Now add all the spices. Once you've added all the spices, stir and add a little bit of water so the spices don't burn. Stir well so all the spices have mixed into the tomato and onion mixture. As you can see, the oil is coming to the surface now. Now add the Gaangloo, the turnips, and stir well. If you find the mixture is sticking to the pan, add some water. Add a glass of water so the Gaangloo can cook through and soften. Keep on heat and stir until the Gaangloo has gone soft. Once the Gaangloo have soft, as you can see, you can mash them up to make a bharta type. Now the gaangloo that have softened, I have mashed them up. Now add coriander and stir. Leave on low heat for about 5 minutes, then turn heat off. Your gaangloo curry is ready. Now you can add coriander to garnish.